Zizi here with the very best of the Low Country, and we are here at the Hanser House with the Georgetown Chamber of Commerce's Business After Hours, and I have caught up with Miss Laura Flint. How are you, my dear?
I'm doing so well. Thank you so much for having me on this little ditty with you.
You're so welcome. Tell us a little bit about Specialty Therapy.
Physical Therapy. Specialty Physical Therapy is located down here between the two 17s, between 17 Bypass and 17 Business.
Right.
We're a physical therapy operation that addresses niche diagnostic groups like lymphedema, which is usually a backup of lymphatic fluid and a swelling of the body because of generally after cancer treatments and stuff. And also we do bladder control issues. We handle those like incontinence issues for patients. You wouldn't think a physical therapist handles that kind of stuff, but it's usually, you know, strokes, hip fractures, amputations, but we are kind of like a special little thing down here. That's why we call ourselves Specialty
Therapy.
Yeah, it's so good to be here at Hanser House.
Absolutely. Now tell us a little bit about some of the benefits you feel to being a, chamber member.
Chamber member. I just find that it's wonderful because I get to know who is out there in the community so that I can forward the particular issues that my patients might have or that my particular business might have. Also, I think it's great because everyone learns to know what I do, which is, of course, part of our mantra to educate the community and to educate generally, most importantly, the medical professionals.
Well, you do that so well, and the food here is wonderful, so now you got to tell me how you like the food.
Soup, she-crab soup, rock my world.
Well, please tell everybody to keep watching the very best of the Low Country.
Oh, yes, we will. Thank you so much.
With Nikki Ewing, the Marketing Director of Georgetown Craft Credit Union. And Nikki, we are here at the Hanser House. It is a huge crowd, we are here with the Business After Hours for the Georgetown County Chamber of Commerce. How long have y'all been a member of the Chamber of Commerce?
As far as I can remember. I've been with the credit union for almost 8 years, and they've been actively involved for, I know, at least 25 years, easy. We've been in business for 53 years, so easily I know that we've been strong, proud member ever since.
Well, I'm sure they're proud to have y'all as members as well. What are some of the benefits that the credit union has received from being a part of the Chamber of Commerce?
I have to say the best thing about being a chamber member is getting to use other businesses in the county and knowing and trusting that they're going to be here for a while. It's just businesses supporting businesses, and that's the best part of being a chamber member is you get to know that your other businesses are going to support you too. And
and all the businesses are supporting the chamber tonight. Obviously, there's been a huge turnout here at the Hanser House restaurant here in Litchfield. Now, you've been to eat here at the Hanser House. How is it?
Great. Everything I've eaten here tonight is wonderful.
Stay tuned. Keep watching for more Best of the Low Country.